blessing is by choice. Nobody can force you to do anything. Papa said the devil cannot hold you hostage except you are the one that bring the cement. The devil cannot build walls over you except you supply the building what? How many of you were in service that day? You must contribute. If you don't contribute, the devil cannot take control. Are we together now? Every law is changeable by choice. Listen to me. When Esau came to meet Isaac, he said, Father, is there not left for me a blessing? Ofu. And he said, no, I have given it all to thy what? Thy brother. But after 20 years, the Bible said when Jacob was returning, he brought gift items so that he can pacify the brother. But when he met the brother said to him, I don't need your gift. Seeing that God have done what? Have blessed me also. How did he arrive at the place of blessing when he was not blessed and there was not a single blessing left for him? Somebody say choice and decisions.